Alright, so we're gonna take a break from the C300. It's been like literally, I'm literally updating this now. It's been like 2 weeks. Still nothing. But we gotta take the Evo out. Literally, I don't know. Last time I showed you guys, it must have been like April, like something. April like 7th. I don't even know what day it was. But we're gonna be taking the Evo. Okay. It's cold, so let's get the little cold start. Not that cold. You already know it. Making sure it's recording. Alright. As you guys can tell, we gotta go to work, and then we gotta refuel. So we're almost out of fuel. I can probably do it after work though. Put the windows down. It's kind of hot, but it's cold outside. Oh, that's my wheel rubbing. Right, mi llanta. Oh my, that's like, what was that? Alright, yeah, it's a nice day, guys. I haven't been uploading because I've been trying to do the steering wheel, but the part that's coming in for the steering column is coming in from I forget what the country is called, but Lithuania or whatever, Lithuania or something like that, guys. Lithuania, I think that's it. I didn't even know that country existed, or, you know, but apparently it does. Central Europe, so that's where it's coming from. I actually googled Lithuania. Pretty cool country, actually. But yeah, so the steering column is coming for the Mercedes. It says it's 2 weeks, so now we just gotta wait. But for now, I didn't want to leave you guys just hanging there with nothing. So I might as well do a point of view Evo drive. Hopefully it turns out good. Put this up so you guys can see better. It's kind of cloudy day. All these little rocks flying out. Is it a spider? I don't know, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna crash this stupid spider. We still do have some fuel left, so I could probably go at night. It's only like a 5-6 minute drive though. We're okay. Open up the open dump. Oh yeah. I forgot I had it closed for a second. I was like, it's usually louder than this, but let me open the open dump, and then I don't know, I forgot I had it, I guess. Nice E-Class. That's a little E-Class coupe. I love this song. Cause that Lex, oh nice, 350Z. guy standing up on the bike. It's a Sunday, you know, we gotta have a little bit of fun, you know. Oh, they're about to race. They also have GoPros. Look at that little Z. Whoa. So many bikes out today. Service engine light soon is because of the catalyst. I have the thing to bypass it, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What? That lady yelled. Oh, that's it. Grab something from Total Wine. You already know it. Oh, look at that nice Porsche. Alright guys, so you guys already know I'm gonna be changing the steering wheel. Look how crusty this is. Horrible. Like, you see the leather already breaking. Probably like fake leather and stuff. But I'm getting at least half of this part, like carbon fiber and stuff, and flat bottomed. You guys have seen it online, how it looks. I'm gonna upgrade my head unit and stuff, but as of late, guys, I've been look at the little Honda Fit blasting music. I've been really what's it called, addicted to Mercedes. I don't know, I'm like so into Mercedes right now. I love Mercedes. I want to get my dream car right now, a 63 AMG. But you know, always my Evo is my baby. But I mean, 63 AMG S. It's like my dream right now. But yeah, so that's why the only reason why I'm concentrating on the Mercedes right now, because I'm in love with Mercedes right now. All right, guys. So it's nighttime. Just got out of work. Let's go get some gas. Go to the gas station because the gas station's got the best lighting. You guys already know, especially this Exxon right here. It's got like 50,000 lights. So I got the check engine light though. It will go away in a little bit. show you guys a big slope. It's like a huge mission to get to the gas station, guys. Look at this huge slope. How are you supposed to come in here? I mean, look, my car's not that low, but if it were low, I'm probably gonna get stuck. Come on, bruh. Let's go right in the middle where all the light is. I mean, I thought it was the Exxon, it's Sunoco. Alright, so let's go refill it up real quick. I thought that was a spider for a second. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see it on the camera. I thought it was a spider that was right there earlier on. Alright, so let's go fill it up. Alright, let's make sure we don't hit nothing. Where is my credit card? Did I lose my card? Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright. These beautiful lighting right here. All thanks to the gas station. Look at that octane blue, how it looks at night. Alright, let me fill up real quick. Dang it. I thought I was like the Mercedes. I gotta open it. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Very quiet night here, guys. It's usually packed on this gas station. What the? Bruh. Oh, okay, that's what I'm about to say. Okay, there we go. Well, I gotta go 93. Even though it's supposed to be 91. I don't have hand sanitizer. There are no napkins. What the fuck are the napkins? They're all the way in there.
They are kind.
I'm only gonna add 13. I forgot this is not the credit card I use. I used the wrong card, but I at least put 13 bucks in it. There we go. Alright. Still recording, right? It's a little crooked though. But it's getting done. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go home. Likes 93. It definitely likes 93 octane. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Just a very short video because I haven't been posting anything because obviously my steering wheel that hasn't come yet. But I hope you guys enjoy this little point of view driving of the Mitsubishi Evo. Big massive truck. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end it here guys. Hope you all enjoy that. Today, let me know if you guys want to see more point of view of driving on the Evo. I know the Evo stuff is kind of delayed, like a lot. But I still want to push out a little bit of content for the Evo. I still love my Evo. But yeah, so let's get it guys. Hope you guys see you next time, and so guys, have a good one.